Welcome students, we are given this question. F of x is equal to a times sine pi x over 2 positive b. F dash of 1 over 2 is the root of 2. And we are given integral 0 to 1. This is f of x dx is 2 times a over pi. Then the constants a and b should be what? So again a, b, c and d. So you need to work this question out and obtain the constants. Okay, so foremost, how do we go about it? Probably you can pause this video and work this question out, and then when we come back we see how to get this values. Okay, I hope you all have got the answer. So let us see what the answer to this question is. Now foremost we are given, this is the solution, we are given f of x is equal to a times sine of pi x over 2 positive b. So let me differentiate this with respect to x we get. So this is f dash of x, a is a constant, you differentiate sine, you get cos of pi x over 2, then you differentiate pi x over 2, so that is going to be pi over 2. The differentiation of b is going to give me 0. So I got a times pi over 2 times cos pi x over 2. This is f dash of x. Now for x is equal to 1 over 2, f dash of 1 over 2 is given to be as root of 2. So this means if I were to substitute 1 over 2 here, I would get a pi over 2 cos pi x is 1 over 2, but there is already a 2 there. So this is going to be a times pi over 2 cos pi over 4. But cos pi over 4 is 1 over root 2. And you have f dash of 1 over 2. But what is given? This is given. Now since f dash of 1 over 2 is the root of 2, we have, so what do you have? In place of dash of 1 over 2, you are going to substitute root 2. So this is root of 2 is equal to a times pi over 2 times root of 2. You cross multiply with the root 2 there, and you have a times pi over 2. So root 2 times the root 2 will give me 2, and you have a times pi over 2. So you cross multiply now 2. This is going to give me 2 times of 2 is equal to a times pi. So this in turn would mean a pi is equal to 4. Therefore a is equal to, you have to get the value for a. So you push this a, it's going to be 4 over pi. So this is the value of a. Now having got the value of a, we will have to get the value of b. So for that, to find b, consider integral 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to 2 times a over pi. Now this in turn would mean 0 to 1 f of x. What is f of x? F of x is nothing but a times sine pi x over 2 positive b times dx. This is equated to 2 times a over pi. Now I can rewrite this as 0 to 1. I can take constant a out, and this is sine pi x over 2 times dx positive integral 0 to 1 b times dx is equal to 2 times a over pi. Now we will have to move to the next space. So let me do that. Okay, so if we were to integrate this, this is going to give me a negative cos pi x over 2. The coefficient of x is pi over 2. So the limits are 0 to 1. If I were to integrate this, I get x 0 to 1 is equal to 2 times a over pi. So if I substitute 1, I will get cos of pi over 2. That is going to give me 0. But there is also a 0 here. So if I were to substitute a 0, that was going to give me 1, right? Cos of 0 is 1, but there is pi over 2 here. So what I'll do, I will flip this, and then I have a negative sign, fair enough. So for the first term I'm getting 0, for the second term I'm going to get a 1. Okay, now this is going to be b of 1 negative 0 is equal to 2 times a. What is the value for a? Let us go and check the value for a. A is 4 over pi. So a is 4 over pi, and there is already a pi here. Okay, so this is going to give me 2 times a over pi. In fact, we do not have to make the substitution, but never mind. So b is equal to 2 times pi of 4 over pi. I'm not going to do anything with the simplification, so let's have it as it is. So now b is equal to 2 times pi of 4 over pi negative 2 times pi. A is 4 over pi. We see that both the terms are one and the same, so we can cancel out, giving me the value of b to be equal to 0. So therefore a is 4 over pi and the value of b is equal to 0. So now, having got the solution, go back and check which of these choices meet our requirement. Is it A? No. Is it B? No. Is it C? No. Is it D? Yes. So that's the right solution for this question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.